Unfortunately, right before this long-range flight, I crashed during testing and broke my GPS connector. A normal pilot probably would skip flying this far in this situation, but I decided to send it anyway, so enjoy this video. Here you can see the quad, the destination and the general line of sight. The key of not losing the quad here is simple: don't go behind anything. There is a W-shaped patch of snow on the mountainside. That's my visual limit. I'm not going past that line. It's hard to see now, but I'll show it a little later. The mountain is called Jezerska Kočna. It's 2540 meters above sea level, right next to Grintovec, the highest peak in the region, just 18 meters taller. I'll have to come back for that one someday, but it's not in line of sight this time. The views on the way are amazing, but I need to stay focused. Bringing the drone back is priority number one. See that peak on the right side? That's Grintovec. And now we can clearly recognize the W-shaped snow patch. And here we are, getting close to the mountain. This part is fully visible from the starting point, so it's safe to approach. Let's hit the peak. Again, not going further to the right than the snow patch. Primary objective is complete. And it looks like I've got enough battery to make it back. That's a relief. I'll fly around a bit more, but without crossing the ridgeline. Then I'll go for a dive on the side that's still visible from home. Getting a few RX signal losses here made me a little nervous. The single LRS antenna was probably blocked by the huge battery, but connection held. Everything is fine for now. Looks like we got enough battery for one more small dive, so why not? Now that I'm heading home, I decided to climb another mountain on the way back. It wasn't part of the original plan, but it's just too tempting. There is a risk of going behind it though, so I'm staying on the side and gaining altitude early. Some nervous stick movements here, not entirely sure how close I can get without losing the line of sight. I made it to the top, looks good. I can see my visual reference point for home, those brown rock patches up ahead. Not going below that deep, could lose line of sight if I do. Battery is getting low, probably just enough to make it back. Still, I decided to climb one last hill. It's accessible from the start point, so if I crash there is at least a chance I can recover the quad, even though it has no beeper. And what is this? Some kind of water facility? Let me know in the comments if you recognize it. I'm glad I checked out the hill. The thing looks massive. Now let's dive through the ski lifts and head back home. A little lost here, trying to figure out where to go. I could already hear the quad at this point. Started climbing since I was somewhere near the top of the hill. And just look at how fast the battery is draining now. I really need some luck to land it safely. My throttle is over 45% just to keep it on hover. And here we are, 2.5 volts per cell.